I ain't gonna lie, I was shocked this made it to the Switch, man. Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Madison for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and I'm basically running getting everything on the default settings for this game. There's not much I needed to tweak or anything of that nature to get the game running, so we're gonna have some fun with it and see what happens. I'm just shocked that it came to the Switch as well. You know, I knew it came to PC. You saw me test it on PC. Wasn't the greatest performance either. But here, because it's on Switch, I'll be testing here as well, because why the heck not? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I like seeing the outrageousness of how much RAM usage the Switch is gonna make me use. I feel like that's mainly my thing. I really love seeing. Hey, it runs though. It runs from the jump. That's a neat. What you want? I ain't got none for you.
Answer me that. Just answer me that!
Bro, I ain't got nothing for you, okay?
What the hell were you thinking? What in the hell crossed your mind?
Honestly, I don't know.
The fuck is happening to you?
I still don't know at this point, to be honest with you.
Ruined our family. What am I gonna do now?
How do I click on this? Oh, there we go. I gotta wait for that prompt. Yeah, I remember. The stupid prompts are hard as heck to click on. I remember this. Dude. It's bad enough that I gotta remember. Okay, so sorry too. Got it.
No. This can't be happening. God.
Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. It was right there. It was right there, Javon. It was right there, Javon. Got it. You got it. Oh my gosh, we did it. Right off the bat. Okay, so I realized that we're not really loading in shaders much, which is interesting. We're not really loading in them shaders, man. Get them shaders in there, guys. You wanna get them shaders? We're getting about 40 FPS. We're only using 7 gigs of RAM. I suppose that's not the worst thing in the world. VRAM is about 2 gigs. That's not bad either. Actually, that's not bad. This is actually kind of decent. I probably should bring the TV over here a bit. I don't think this is going to be a very long video because this crap gives me a headache every single time. Every single time. It's not great. It is running somewhat stable though. Now, for whatever reason, I don't know why you would play this, because once again, it's on PC, but for whatever reason, you do you, I guess. You want to test it on the Switch emulator? You can. Maybe you like the Switch controls. Maybe that's the reason why. I mean, it does run. I could cap this to 30, probably will be a better experience.
You are not my son!
Bro, chill out.
You are not my son.
I feel like I came out of left field there. I wasn't even listening to you at that point, you know? I was just kind of just there like...
Grace was right.
I was just kind of like, you know, I was kind of zoned out of him.
on.
I forgot about him.
Maybe I can get out through Grandpa's house. I gotta get out of here.
I'm tired of I'm tired of games being something, feeling like they're gonna be something great and then they ain't.
I need to find a way out.
I thought Madison
Before Dad notices
like
him.
years ago when I said, "Holy crap, this looks nice," and it was so disappointing to me. Oh, I don't want to use that. No, I still don't want to use it. I just want to examine it. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Madison. Ow. 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 It's Madison.
My birthday present? How did it get here? What?
local news, the remaining belongings in the Hale family estate of $500 $2 million. Among the auction items were pictures by them, as well as some gold and diamonds. The noteworthy was Ms. Hale's precious instant camera, which was $500,000. It's been 30 years since the report of multiple
I should find a nail or something to hang it with.
No one had previously purchased the camera. For viewers unfamiliar with the story, Madison Hale killed her own family during a witchcraft ceremony. She was then fatally shot in the stomach by a police officer who was confident.